Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the artboards you will link. Create frames for each page and name them so you don't lose context. Once done, switch to the Pages panel and add or duplicate pages as needed. Make sure to import or place shared components early. Then open the Prototyping tab so you can draw connections. This first actionable step gets you from static artboards to an interactive flow and reduces rework later. Next, you build the actual flow by selecting elements and dragging the prototype node to the target page or frame. This creates the linkage. Then choose the trigger, click, hover, or after delay, and pick an animation and duration to communicate intent. Make sure to use overlays for modal-like content and Navigate to for full page transitions, because overlays preserve context while Navigate replaces it. Finally, group related interactions into components to scale your flow efficiently. To finish, run your prototype in present mode and click through every path to verify transitions, timing, and overlays behave as expected. If something breaks, inspect node targets, confirm frame names haven't changed, and check component overrides. Those are common causes. Once everything works, set the starting frame, choose device and background options, and share or export the prototype. One troubleshooting tip: if links disappear, relink the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.